Do you know Gandhi ji led salt satyagrah, the Namak satyagrah? What was that story? You know, Britishers imposed on us that we must consume the salt that they make in Britain, because when the ships were coming back from Britain, they were empty. So, they wanted to make use of that, because they would take the raw material from India and then send salt, and they made it a rule that we Indians had to buy that salt only. Gandhiji's way of fighting independence was not only through slogan and satyagrah, but also through attacking them economically, because Britishers were actually trading with us. So, what Gandhiji said? He said, we will make our own salt. So, he walked up to Dandi, it is called Dandi March, and there from sea water he made salt, and of course, he was punished. But here we are more concerned about how is salt obtained from sea water. When we get salt from sea water, the water evaporates due to the heat of the sun, and what is left is salt, but of course, it is not in pure form. So, then it is purified, and finally, that salt comes to your home, has very fine grains. These grains are actually not grains, but crystals, and these crystals are very small. There are other things also which are found in the crystalline form, like your mishri that you eat, that is sugar, then also alum, that is fatkari, and also copper sulphate. And you know, you can make beautiful copper sulphate crystals yourself. How? What you can do is, you can take some water in a beaker, add few drops of sulfuric acid, and then of course dilute sulfuric acid. Then you add lot of copper sulphate and stir it well. You will get a blue solution. Then you heat it, and slowly the copper sulphate will keep changing into crystals, and you will have beautiful differently shaped crystals of copper sulphate. The process by which crystals are formed is called crystallization.